What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a little while, so we're gonna do a little short video today. So let me just show you guys what it looks like right now. I switched back to the chrome headlights. The wrap is holding up. I did the tints, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I didn't do a good job, but I didn't do a bad job, but I did more of a bad job than a good job. So there's just some little wrinkles here, little stuff here. This one looks good except for this part right here. I didn't have the right tools. I was just messing around. I had this tint for like maybe 2 years, just, you know, just sitting there. I think I got it when I first painted the car purple. We're gonna just take it out, put a new color. I got it right here. Yeah, I also switched back to the clear tails, the OEM style, because the other ones were looking a little funny. Let me just show you guys what I ended up doing. So I took them off and I redid them, and I still have to finish it. Oh, let me just show you. So this is what it looks like. So this is a new, I guess, cover, you could say, and I wrapped it chrome. So this is just the style that I'm gonna go with next. I just gotta do one more of the tail lights, which I'm gonna do probably later. I'm not gonna make a video on it because I pretty much did already. So what I'm doing, I'm just redoing it and wrapping it. So essentially it's the same thing, but oh, something else. Let me show you guys what else I got cooking up for 2025, right? So we got here, you can see that shit right there. So we got ourselves some shortened tilted spindles and some extended lower control arms. But we're gonna have some front tilt, some rear tilt. I'm gonna get some arms and stuff and get that situated. But yeah, this is the car right now. This is how she looks. Right now I'm gonna pull the car out a little bit just so I can have some space. I'm gonna remove the old tint and then I'm gonna apply the new one, and then probably guide you guys as I do it. So let's just take this one off for right now. Doing now is I just tacked it to the window and I heated it up just to get all the air bubbles out. So this still has the plastic shield thing on top of it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be able to cut along here, but I want to make sure I get it good. So I'm gonna use a Sharpie. I'm gonna draw here, then I'm gonna take it to the table there and cut it out. It's a little windy, so I'm kind of fighting with the wind, but let's try to do this one first, and then I'm gonna do it to all of them, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So let's see. Now we got the piece. put it on the table and then cut it out, and then let's see how it comes out, because honestly I'm not even sure. So let me lower the window. So now I just gotta connect that dot to that dot, and that should be the base. That is clean still. Give it another wipe down, place the film on it, and then actually I have to remove the backing from it, half of it. First one, got one down. It has one little flaw, so I accidentally scratched the film when I was cutting the sticker that it came with off. So I'll redo this one in the future because it's not even that bad, like you can't even tell. But we're gonna do the rest, and then I'm gonna show you the final product. All right guys, so it's another day. I just finished tinting the rest of the windows, and let me show you what it looks like from this angle. So this is the first side that I did. I came around, touched it up a little bit, but let me just show you the imperfections. So yes, you have a line here. This one would have came out perfect. This one came out perfect. This one would have came out perfect, but this right here was when I cut it from the packaging. So that was the first piece, that was the first cut that I did, and I messed up. But the tinting overall came out good. That one has that issue. Let me show you guys this side. It looks good, except for this one. This one looks crazy. This one's good. Just gotta wait for it to cure or whatever. This one came out good. Obviously, it's not professional. It's actually my first time actually tinting, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just buy another roll when the weather gets better, because the weather really messed me up. So one tip: don't do this outside, don't do this in the cold. I mean, it's not cold, but don't do this like below 65. So yeah, I'm just buy one roll, another roll in the future, and just redo this one and probably these two. But if not, this one for sure, because this one doesn't bother me that much. This one for sure is a like really long, sharp line. But you can't tell though. If I stand right here, like you can't even see it. So I feel like it matches perfect with the car. I previously had gold, but this one's like perfect. Yeah, guys. I know it's been a while. It's always been a while since I posted a video, but I'm gonna try to stay on top of things. I've just been busy. I've been in school now, working. So the next thing I'm gonna probably do is the tail lights. I'm gonna finish that off, that last piece, and probably working on getting some wheels. So if any of you guys have any ideas on what wheels, let me know. I'm actually looking for some BMW stocks to give this car a different look than what I've been seeing. So if anybody out there knows of any BMWs and BMW wheels or any conversion kits that I could probably use for that, let me know if possible. So yeah, so it's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff to help the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.